Hey guys, so I am doing something really exciting and fun today, something quite different. So I love to travel and I have been to many places in the last 4 years. So when I was traveling as a student, I would not really bring back anything big from my trips because I don't like to hoard and I don't really like a lot of clutter in the house. So as you can see in on the wall behind, I used to always get back fridge magnets, but I want to expand my art collection a little bit more. I'm no way an art expert, but I just want to buy things which make me feel happy, which I think are pretty to look at, and they have some connection to the place that I have visited. So finally, I have bought something for the first time in my life, and it's really special to me. And let's unbox it together. So it's very nicely packaged. Okay, so this is a canvas painting of the Brandenburger Tor in Berlin. So I have visited Berlin 4 times already, and all the times I've had such good experiences. Berlin is the capital of Germany. I was in Germany for 4 years, so I wanted something which has a deep connection to Germany and to Berlin. And this is actually from the art market which is right in front of the Berliner Dome, and there are a lot of different artists selling a lot of different pieces of art. There are a lot of paintings, there are oil paintings, even sketches, lot of sculptures, even jewelry. But I think this painting was really really nice. So it was actually pointed out by a friend of mine, and we really like the dark aspect because the sky is dark and you can see the bright elements of the Brandenburger Tor and the lights, and it really resonates a lot with I think our idea of Berlin, which is dark but it's bright at the same time. And I just think it's a really beautiful painting. It We are going to put it somewhere right when we enter the house. We see it because it's kind of like a welcome gate kind of thing, and I'm really excited and I really hope that I can expand my art collection, and I'm just looking forward to having a lot more pieces in my house.